Are you looking for the best car seat massagers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car seat massagers that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To see the more information about these products, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Zyllion ZMA14 massager cushion. One of the main perks of this massager cushion is the fact that it works to massage you all over your body. In the neck area alone, there are 4 massage nodes that can move in any direction that you choose. You can also pick whether you want the nodes to move up or down, depending on the areas that you want to target the most. Unfortunately, this is not very well suited for shorter individuals. You get many of the same features with the back portion of the chair as well. These nodes, too, can be set so that they can move in a variety of directions. This means that you can specifically target either your upper, lower, or entire back. There is a spot feature that allows you to specify just which section you want to focus on. There is also a heating feature that allows you to enhance your massage experience. Now, with the top portion of the massage cushion, you can choose either a rolling or shiatsu massage, depending on your preference. Still, you also get to enjoy a pleasant vibrating sensation around your waist, buttocks, and thighs as well. With the upper portion of the chair, you do have to be careful as the intensity of the massage is quite high. So, if this isn't something that you find pleasant, you may find this chair to be too much. The Zyllion massager cushion is actually quite comfortable. This is due to the fact that the back portion of the chair is quite thick and has a lot of padding. So, you should be able to sit on it for a long time without any issues. This is a very safe massager, particularly when it comes to the heating element. The chair has a built-in switch-off function that makes sure the chair doesn't get too hot. Moving on at number 4. We have the Gideon Vibrating Massager Seat. Do you want your muscles loosened but don't really like the idea of being kneaded? If so, then you will find that this massager seat is just right for you. This is because it only uses vibrations to help ease the tension in your muscles. The vibration capabilities are available both in the top part of the seat as well as the lower part. So, your entire body gets to enjoy soothing vibrations. On the one hand, the vibrations may seem mild compared to other forms of massage. However, there are 6 powerful motors throughout the chair that ensure that you get to choose just how gentle or firm your massage is going to be. In fact, there really isn't a place where the seat touches your body that isn't properly massaged. Your back, waist, buttocks, and thighs are all tended to. Unfortunately, the same can't be said for your neck or your shoulders, which is a bit of a letdown. There is also a heat feature that is present on both the top and bottom part of the seat. So, you get to gently soothe any tired or aching muscles and joints that may have been worrying you. Now, you will notice that this massager seat isn't the thickest around. So, if there are bumpy roads ahead of you, then you may want to choose a different seat. However, in most normal road conditions you will find that this massager provides you with all of the comfort that you need. The Gideon Vibrating Massage Chair relies on a digital controller. At number 3, we have the NURSAL Back Massager Cushion. What makes this back massager cushion so great is all the options offered to you. To start with, look at the massage choices you have for your neck. First, you get to choose whether the massage balls work in a clockwise or anti-clockwise motion. You also get to adjust the seat so that the neck massage nodules can move up or down. You will find that there are just as many choices available for your back as well. For one thing, you get to choose whether the massager should focus on your entire back or just one section. In fact, you can even direct it to focus on just one spot in particular. To make things even better, you actually get to choose from 3 modes: kneading, waving, and shiatsu. The main issue with the top half of this seat is that it isn't all that great for people who are very short or very tall. The neck and back portions don't line up too well with people who are at height extremes. However, the whole thing can be heated for added comfort. The seat, however, works for everyone. You can choose from either high, medium, or low vibrations and make sure that your lower half is just as relaxed as your upper half. At number 2, we have the Belmint massage seat. There are certainly a lot of options to choose from, depending on the kind of massage that you are looking for. You can indulge in either a rolling, shiatsu or vibrating massage. On top of this, you also get to choose the different levels that you can enjoy each of the massages at. So, regardless of if you want a gentle massage or something a little firmer, you can select your preference with the click of a button. You can choose to either massage your entire back or to focus on either the upper or the lower portion. If you are trying to reach a specific spot, you can do that as well. Simply by using the arrow buttons, you can direct the vibrating nodes to an area that needs the most attention. This helps you to unwind a lot quicker. If you have sore muscles and you want some additional relief, then you can simply turn the heating feature on. There are only 2 main drawbacks with this massage seat. First, it doesn't have a feature to help relieve the tension in your neck or shoulders. Also, there is no vibrating or massaging option for the seat of the cushion. This means that you can't really target the whole body. The seat is also very comfortable to sit in and has just enough cushioning to make it a good option even if the massage feature isn't on. And finally at number 1. We have the SNAILAX massage cushion. The SNAILAX massage cushion consists of 4 deep massaging nodes. These can move up and down so that your entire back is thoroughly massaged. At any given time you can choose to focus on either the upper, middle or lower portion of your back. One of the massage features that really set this cushion apart is that you have the ability to choose the spot massage feature. This allows you to focus all of the massaging power on just one part of your body and really work on your pressure points. There is even a vibrating seat with 3 different levels of intensity. All of the massaging options can be accompanied by gentle heat so that your muscles are even further relaxed by the end of the session. The only really unfortunate thing about this cushion is that there aren't any specific massage features for the shoulders and neck. One of the best things about this car seat massager is the fact that there are so many different settings options. So, you can tailor your experience just how you like it. This is definitely one of the more luxurious car seat massagers around. It is constructed from a comfortable yet sophisticated combination of leather and mesh. So, not only is the seat incredibly soft to the touch, you are also guaranteed to always stay cool and comfortable. With this massage chair pad, you get to choose 3 different time intervals, depending on just how long you want your massage to be. Even if you don't choose any setting, the car seat massager will automatically turn off after 15 minutes. This will help to prevent doing any undue damage to your body from too much continuous pressure. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe my channel to see more videos like this. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.